Oh no! It is already 6:45! We are late! We were supposed to wake up earlier. David, wake up! We overslept again. We have to move fast.
Wait, what? Oh no, not again. Oh. What time is it? Is it morning already?
Oh, it is 6:45. Our train leaves at 9:30.
9:30? Oh. Okay. Let's move.
Jimmy! Emmy! Wake up! Time to get ready right now!
Just 2 more minutes. I am dreaming. No, not today. Today is our travel day.
Travel day? Where are we going today? Yes! We are going to the seaside!
To the beach. The sea? With sand and shells and water?
Yes! But only if we leave on time. Yap yap! Hurry up!
I am awake. I am ready for the beach. Where is my backpack? I cannot find it. It's nowhere to be found. I looked everywhere. It is next to your bed, Jimmy. Open your eyes. Mom, I packed my hat. I am ready for the sun.
Good job, sweetie. Did you pack your jacket too?
Oh, I forgot. I will pack it right now.
Please pack it now. The weather can change at the sea.
I cannot find my socks. Where are my socks?
Check under your pillow. You always hide things there.
They are here again. You are magic, Mom.
Okay. Let's check everything. Tickets?
Check. I have the tickets right here.
Phones and chargers? Do we have power?
We have everything. Let's go. Check. I have the cables in my bag.
Snacks? We need food for the train.
Oh, got it. In the green bag. I packed chips and apples. No!
Good. What about sunscreen? The sun is hot.
I think it is in the bathroom cabinet.
Prom, please get it now. We must protect our skin. The taxi will be here in 5 minutes. Hurry, team.
5 minutes? Oh! I haven't brushed my hair yet, Mom.
You look fine. Nice try. But we must go now. Okay, but I still need the brush for later.
Kids, put on your shoes. Shoes on right now.
Shoes on. Shoes on. I am fast like a racing car. Backpack's ready. Backpack's ready. I am ready to go.
The taxi is here. Everyone get inside safely. Good morning. To the train station, please. Good morning. Good morning. Got it. Train station it is.
Oh, seatbelts on. I am excited for the big train. Me too, Jimmy. I have never been on a train this long before. Ooh, it's an adventure, Emmy. Just look. Oh, esto se beturgen right? Really? It will be like a house on wheels. Ugh.
Yes. Yes. You can see the countryside from the window.
Oh no! Traffic is slow. Too many cars.
Don't worry. We still have time. Relax. Relax. Thanks, Lena. I needed that.
No.
Mom, what will we do at the sea first? Well, first we can build a giant sandcastle. How about that?
We will walk on the beach and find treasures.
We will collect shells. I want a pink shell. I want ice cream. A big chocolate ice cream.
Maybe later, after we swim in the water. We are here.
Finally! Thank you, driver. It is so big. Look at the giant clock. Mom, what do we do first? Where do we go?
We show our tickets. Then we find our platform.
What is a platform? Whoa!
Oh. Oh. A form. Oh. Is it a box?
It is the place where the train stops, Jimmy. Oh. Wow. Really? Yes, look.
Platform 4. That is our lucky number today.
Let's sit down for a moment. Jimmy, Emmy, who wants a snack?
Yay!
Me.
Ma!
Hey. Coffee time? I need coffee to wake up.
Jimmy, Emma, do you want some juice? Here you go.
No! Thanks, Lena. Thanks. Thanks, Mom. Hot. Juice gives me power. And then... Listen. The voice is talking about our train.
The train to Blue Coast is coming. Get ready.
Here it is. It is so big and blue. Watch your step. Boost your step. Jump inside.
Wow!
Good job.
Window! Seat! Window seat! I claim the window seat. I can see everything. Look at the people outside.
Please sit down and relax. We made it.
Oh, yes. Right on time. No more rushing.
The train is moving. Look at the trees run by. It is so peaceful. I like traveling like this.
No stress now. Just enjoy the ride, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more slow English stories.